Hi Sagittarius, and welcome to your monthly predictions. We are going to talk about how month of July is going to be for you, and I'm making the videos early so that I'm able to make the complete extended videos for you as I do always. Last 2 months I've not been able to do that, but this month I've started early so that I'm able to complete all the signs before anything else comes up. So today there is Sagittarian, and Sagittarians, this is the month which is a very powerful month with strong changes, but this month will require you to meditate, to rest, to just continue working on the things that you have been working upon, to see the results or to get the results from the things that you've worked upon. Your intuition is going to be all-time high. You'll have to believe in your intuition. You'll have to let go of certain things, and this is a month where you don't have to do a lot. Like you'll have to give your time to balance, give yourself time to nurture, give yourself time to digest things, give yourself time to meditate. This is a transformational month, and I would want you to, if you are able to, take out some time to meditate every day this month and give yourself some more time. Do not get into new business, new things, new opportunities. Rather, whatever you're working upon, if you continue working upon that, if you keep your energies balanced on that particular thing, you will see very good results. End of the month, I got one Queen of Cups, because it was a quote card. I wanted to just clarify it further. I got another Queen, so Queen of Pentacle came. Two quote cards, so I wanted to clarify further. I got another one, which is Nine of Pentacle, and if you see, there is another Queen. So this is the month where the queen-like energy, the feminine energy, the energy of your emotions, your inner self, your power is going to be very powerful, and you're going to be like a queen. So you're going to be taken like a queen in front of the world, and to reach there, it is very important that you go through the changes that the month has for you, which will require you to meditate, balance, be with your inner self, not go to the outer world a lot, and just not run or rush into anything. That's going to be very important. And queen-like energy, when I'm saying, it's equally applicable to men also, because we all have feminine and masculine energy, and this is the energy of your intuition, your inner self. So we all have that energy in us. If we talk about your health, from your health perspective, I would say that rest is going to be very important. So this month, don't try to kind of run around, do everything by yourself. If you see, she is a warrior. She's actually taken away her war suit, her helmet and everything, and she is into meditation. So this is the month where you have to do that. You have to meditate, you have to balance your energies. The only thing that I see as a health issue this month, two things. One, posture. So your back or your spine might give you a problem, so posture is going to be posture should be correct. Second, some headaches, and that's going to happen because the way things move, maybe till 5th of the month, you will be like, okay, things are not happening. I wanted this, I wanted that, that's not happening. So that might give you a little stress. But after the 5th and the 6th of the month, by say I feel around 8th of the month, you will see things changing big time. So that is why health issues, only headaches and spine related or back related issues. So take care of your posture and meditate every day. That's going to be very important. Other than that, I don't see many issues with your cards. If I talk about money or wealth, this month you have 10 of Pentacle, you have 8 of Pentacle, you have Queen of Pentacle, you have 9 of Pentacle, and you have 5 of Pentacle. There is a lot of money growth that is happening. With 5 of Pentacle, the only thing I can tell you is that at times when this money growth happens, we are not able to put that money immediately somewhere, and that is what is that I will advise you as well, because it feels like you might receive some money from inheritance. You might receive some money from the things that you've been working upon, to continue working upon things. You might receive some money from the long-term investments that you've had. The money is going to flow, but you will have to still budget, because I've been seeing Queen of Pentacle in every reading until now. This is the third or the fourth video that I'm doing, but I'm seeing Queen of Pentacle in every video. So Queen of Pentacle is present there, which means budgeting this month is going to be very important. But money will flow. So the only thing is, don't put your money into new business, new things. Don't get into anything new because you just want to get into it because you're just receiving some money. So that's one thing that you need to take care of. Otherwise, money wise, financially, this month is good. Another thing that I would want to tell you is that this month, ensure that you don't put your money anywhere which you should not do, which is not legal, which is not right. Because if you see, these guys are gambling, and there is one person who's taken all the money away, and and these 3 are actually sad because they've lost, so they are actually doomed. If you put your energy or money into something that is not right on the face of it, and you go ahead because you think that you're going to gain something out of it, then you're going to get at a loss, because there is going to be a backstab, and anyways you've not gotten into something right. So the only thing that can give you an issue this month, if you get attracted to faster money making, or if you get attracted to the wrong set of people and do something that is not ethical or that is not right on the face of it, because you will get backstabbed, and because it has happened in an illegal thing or in the like immoral thing, you will not be able to get that back as well. So just take care of that much this month. It is going to be very important. If you talk about your love or relationships, this is the month of self-love. This is the month of loving yourself. This is the month of loving your family. Spend time with your family, some happy family time I can see here. Judgment, there is family together there also. Queen like energy, so definitely there is a nurturing energy that's there, and these are the queens who are on their thrones, or who's one of them who's like on the gate. So with that energy, I can tell you that this is the month which is not a lot for external relationships, so you don't have to go external a lot. This is mostly going to be internal, so work on yourself, work on your inner self, work on your developing your intuition, developing your own plans, looking at your own future. Don't get into new relationships this month, because I wouldn't advise that. I feel this is the month where you heal yourself, where you take the judgments or decisions later on, where you actually let go of the past, work on yourself. So don't kind of rush into any relationship this month, because I feel that rushing is not your energy this month. If there is a relationship that you've already been in, then work on that relationship. It will get improved. If you can spend some time with your family members, that's going to be the energy of the month. So more of this month is about your own inner self. Again, because I said, so there are 12 cards here that I've pulled out, okay, and out of 12 cards, 9 cards are only feminine energy, and 2 cards have both male and feminine energy. One is the only card who have male energy or masculine energy, and that's on the no space. And that doesn't mean that I'm saying that men are going to be bad for you, the only thing, or men are going to be bad in general. No, the only thing that I'm saying is this is the month where you work on your internal self. Your feminine, we all have feminine, masculine. Feminine energy is the energy of your inner self, your thought, your intuition, your wisdom, your inner knowing. That's the nurturing energy that you have. Masculine energy is going out there, getting everything done, earning money, or and that's why we all have both the energies. So earning money, strategizing, so that's like the being out there in the world. And this is the month where you have to be less out there in the world and more inside you. So the more you are inside you, the better it is going to be for you for this month. That's why I said that this is not the month where you go ahead get married. This is not the month where you go ahead get your new relationship. This is the month where you spend time with your own self and with your family or closer people. So that's the month like. If I talk about pregnancy, I would say that after the 10th of the month, it's a good time for pregnancy, because there are 3 queens, and overall a lot of feminine energy. But before that, if you are already pregnant, you have to take care of yourself, meditate, rest, and balance your energies. If I talk about the career or the business part, the cards are saying that continue doing what you've been doing. I don't see, there could be an opportunity that comes in the beginning of the month, because there is Ace of Swords, but I don't see that maturing very soon, because this is like a child energy. So I don't see it maturing very soon. Rather, I would say sit on it. Be where you are. Don't change your jobs this month. Don't change your projects this month. Rather, keep on working what you are working upon, because it's going to give you results. In business also, I would say don't make new investments. Don't put your money into new things, or don't start a new business. Rather, plan for how you want to go long term. Plan for how you want to move long term. Money flow is definitely happening, but you need to keep on working upon the things that you've already worked upon. So this month is not the month where you actually jump into new things. Again, I'm saying it's a energy of stability. It's an energy of looking into whatever you've done so far. It is an energy to reap the results of what you've done so far. And it might be that you're about to reap the results of your hard work that you've done from so many years, and you suddenly change your job. This month, don't do that. This month is the energy which is like a sit there, watch, absorb, and balance. So I wouldn't suggest new jobs or changes as such. Yes, growth, I can see that by the end of the month there is a growth that you've been waiting from long term, a long time, that's going to come. If I talk about your students, for students it is very important not to indulge into anything that is negative. So no, if you know certain people who are negative, who influence you in a negative way, who want you to do certain things which are not right, don't do that. You're going to get into loss this month. Second, this month try to take out some time, 5 minutes, 2 minutes, meditate. It is going to be very important. Rest, everything will go fine, but meditation is going to be very important. Soul energy or soul learning or soul path or soul lesson, this is the month where which has judgment card. Judgment card is the card when you let go of the past, when you see and look at things very clearly, and then you move forward. And I also have 11, like there is 11 number card, there is 47 number, which again becomes 11. So your cards are very clear on that this month the energies are going to change, they are going to open up, provided you meditate, you balance yourself, you believe in your intuition. So soul growth, if you want your soul growth to happen, this is the month where you meditate, you let go of the past, release the past, look at the future, meditate and balance your energies and believe in your intuition. Your intuition can be developed and it can be all-time high this month, but you will have to work on it, because if you actually indulge in the outer world, you will not be able to work on it. So that's one thing that you need to take care of. Number of the month undoubtedly is number 1 for you. Chakra of the month, I would say please practice all chakra meditation. Only 7 minutes meditation, it can work wonderfully well for you and it is needed for you this month. Color of the month, any color is going to be good for you, but usually mostly I see like green color and orange color. So green and oranges are going to be better colors for you. But again, I'm saying long-term goals, yes, but don't rush into things this month. If I talk about your mental exercise, there are 2 cards that I see. One is card number 11, one is card number 47. 47 also becomes 11. And if you see 47, there is a cheetah, yeah, it's a leopard, and it is about to reach the end of its race that it was into. So there is a flag here, and this last jump is going to get this leopard to the flag. Now what is going to get you to the flag? This card says go by the book, and by the book means that you have to follow the right things, do the right things in the right way. If you divert from your path, if you start doing, like I said, for fast results, or if for shortcuts, if you do something that's not right, that you shouldn't be doing, or if you're doing something under peer pressure or pressure of people, it's not going to give you the results. Go by the book, follow the rules, follow the customs, follow the law, follow the moral principles, and you will reach your destination for sure. Whatever is your destination, whatever you're trying to achieve, you will reach that. So this month, whenever you are going to take a step, sit, relax for 5 minutes, do like a 2 minutes meditation, and then see if what you're doing is right, and if it is right, do it. If it is not, don't do it. So this is very important for you for this month. I was taking animal energy cards for every sign this month, but for you I just forgot to get those cards, so I took out the unicorn cards, and the card is intuition. It says listen to your inner wisdom. And definitely intuition is going to be very important this month for you. So just listen to your intuition, just pay complete attention to your intuition this month. I'm taking out one card because of COVID, everybody has lost some or the other loved one, and I'm taking cards out for spirit messages from the spirit this month. So the message for you from the spirit is let go. It says once you let go of the outcome, you will be able to release all the emotional constraints that have held you back in the past. Trust in the higher good and guidance of spirit, as we have only your best intentions at heart and we'll do everything in our power to protect you. So this month, let go. This month, don't push on any particular outcome and don't worry about it. Everything will flow the way it should and in your favor. I'm going to take out one life card for you guys and one or more, whatever comes out. Before I do that, I would request you guys to please share this video with everyone that you can and subscribe the channel if you can, like the video. And there are a lot of videos on my channel that can help you understand positivity, that can help you understand soul growth, soul journey, even the world order, new world order and COVID related whatever theories that are coming. You can understand those and get the clarity over those also. So whenever you get time, go through the playlist, watch the videos. If you like something, then share it with others also and leave comments. Let's see what is the message for you guys. Message for Sagittarians for the month of July 2021. Where's the final message for Sagittarians for the month of July 2021? Final message. Okay, wow. See, this one card, two cards say it all. There's a world card. World card is of completion. There's Nine of Cups. Nine of Cups is wish fulfillment. She's happy. She has fulfilled her wish. She's done what she was wanted to do. She's actually, like throwing those cups up and dancing in those cups. Her heart is completely illuminated, and she has gotten her treasure as well. There is a treasure box here. So beautiful, beautiful month for you. And the last card here is anyways world card. World is a card of completion. She's very, very happy. And when I'm saying she, doesn't mean that men will not be happy who are from Sagittarian who are Sagittarians. It is applicable to everyone, but it's just that your feminine energy, your energy inside you is going to be very, very happy this month. So give yourself certain relaxation. It's going to be very important. The cards that I am using, this is the Angel Wisdom Tarot. This is the Wisdom of Oracle. This is very, very perfect, beautiful deck. This is Spirit Messages, and this is Unicorn cards. So these are the cards that I'm using. If you want to know more than this, you can contact me for your personalized tarot reading through the Facebook link that's in the description box or through the comment section. You just have to write I want my reading. I'll share my number. We'll take it forward from there. And if you like the video, please subscribe the channel, share it with everyone, watch the videos that are there on the channel, share them with others, leave the feedback, and I will see you with the next predictions very, very soon. Take care of yourself. Thank you so much. All the very best. Bye bye.